equation?
d power n y by dx power n plus
D power n y by dx power n plus p1 d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 plus and so on p n y is equal to some function of x. So this equation is called a linear differential equation of order n because dependent variable and its derivatives degree is 1. The degree of dependent variable and its derivatives is 1. And no product of dependent variable and its derivatives or no product of two derivatives exists in this equation. So this equation is called linear differential equation of order n. Now to find we will write symbolic form of the given equation. We will put d by dx is capital D, d square by dx square is capital D square, and so on. The given equation will be in the form of f of dy is equal to q of x. What is auxiliary equation? Tell me here for finding complementary function. Auxiliary equation.
f of n equal to 0.
F of m is equal to 0, and we will find the roots of this auxiliary equation. Depending on the roots of the auxiliary equation, we will write complementary function. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4 are roots. All the roots are real and distinct. What is complementary function? Tell me.
C1
into e power
plus
C1 e power x,
c2 e power 2
C2 e power 2x, plus C3 e power 3x, plus C4 e power 4x. Suppose 2 is a root repeated 4 times, real and repeated. What is complementary function?
C1 plus C2x plus C3x square plus C4x
C3x square
whole power
plus C4x cube into
e power
e power 2x. If alpha plus or minus I beta is a complex root, non-repeated root, and what is complementary function?
e power
alpha
E power alpha x into
C1
cos beta x, C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x. And suppose alpha plus or minus I beta is repeated 2 times, then what is complementary function?
e power alpha x C1 plus C2 cos beta x
C2x into cos beta x plus C3 plus C4x into
sin beta.
sin beta x. Okay. Operator. D is called differential operator. 1 by D is called inverse of differential operator. 1 by D is called inverse of differential operator. Inverse of differential operator. So D is nothing but d by dx. 1 by d of some function of x is nothing but integral of q of x dx. D is differentiation, and what is 1 by d? 1 by d is just integration. What is 1 by d sine 3x? Tell me. What is 1 by d sine 3x?
cos 3x by 3
Minus cos
3x by 3.
3. That's it. 1 by d is integration. 1 by d square is double integration. Okay. 1 by d square sine 3x is nothing but double integral sine 3x dx. One time integration is minus cos 3x by 3 dx. Again, cos integration is sine 3x by 9. That's it. So what is complete solution? Y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Okay, first case 1 for finding a particular integral, case 1. If RHS function is e power ax, okay, if RHS function is e power ax, then if RHS function is e power ax, then listen. What is PI? PI formula is, what is the form of given equation? F of d of y is equal to q of x, right? If this q of x is 0, PI 0. If q of x, PI is equal to సురేష్, నా చార్జర్ ఇవా కరెంట్ పోయింది. అరే ఇప్పుడు పోయింది. అక్కడ అక్కడ పెట్టింది చూడు. అక్కడ నాది నీ సెల్ నాకెట్లా వస్తుంది? హలో హలో, ఓకే. PI is equal to, what is PI formula is 1 by f of d into q of x. 1 by f of d into q of x. This is PI formula. Just a minute. PI is equal to 1 by f of d into q of x. You know what is f of d? Suppose the given equation is d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus y is equal to e power 2x. Then what is symbolic form of this equation? Tell me. Hello? Hello? D square plus 2d plus 1 of y is equal to e power 2x. This is f of d. F of d of y is equal to e power 2x. So what is f of d? D square plus 2d plus 1. We'll write here 1 by f of d is d square plus 2d plus 1. And what is q of x? E power 2x. So suppose if the RHS function is e power ax, what is particular integral is? What is particular integral is? Just write d equal to a in that. That's it. Put d equal to a here. 1 by f of a e power ax. That's it. This is PI. When if f of a not equal to 0. If f of a not equal to 0. Suppose if f of a is equal to 0. If f of a is equal to 0, then to write PI, write one x in numerator. Okay. Write one x in numerator. Differentiate denominator with respect to d and then put d equal to a into e power ax. This is PI if denominator f of a is equal to 0. This is possible only if, tell me, this is possible only if f dash of a is, hello?
Not equal to 0.
Hello? Not equal to 0.
Not equal to 0.
If f dash of a is equal to 0, suppose if f dash of a is equal to 0, PI is If f dash of a is equal to 0, pi is write one more x in numerator, x square by differentiate denominator with respect to d again and then put d equal to a. This is pi. This is if f double dash of a is not equal to 0 and so on. This is procedure. Suppose for this example, what is pi? Tell me. Pi is equal to 1 by d square plus 2d plus 1 into e power 2x. What is pi? Tell me. What is pi? What is pi here?
1 by 2 square plus 2 plus 1.
1 by 2 square plus 4 plus 1 into e power 2x. Substitute d equal to a. What is a here? 2. So that is 1 by 9 into
1 by
e
9
power
to
e power 2x. That is pi. That's it. Suppose if my function is like this, 1 by d minus 1 whole square into e power x. Tell me, how can I find pi here? Put what is a here? What is a?
1.
1. Put d equal to 1 in this.
0.
0. Then
Differentiate 2 of d minus
x by write one x in numerator. Okay, x by differentiate denominator with respect to d. 2 of d minus 1 into d minus 1 differentiation with respect to d 1. Now put d equal to 1.
again 0.
Again 0. And then multiply numerator by 1 more x and differentiate denominator with respect to d
1.
1 into e power x. There is no d to substitute d equal to a here, right? So what is pi? X square by 2 e power x. Suppose my function is like this, d square minus 1 into e power x. Tell me. Put d equal to
X by 2.
1 if you substitute x by
2.
2d into e power x. Now
by 2.
put d equal to 1. Put d equal to 1. Then it is x by 2 e power x. Or else 1 by d is integration. Integration of e power x. Okay, integration of e power x is e power x. Write down first case 1. Write down inverse operator. First write this inverse operator. Inverse operator. The operator d or d inverse or 1 by d is called inverse of the differential operator d. Inverse of the differential operator d. So 1 by d of q of x is nothing but integral q of x dx. If you want to write one example, you can write 1 by d cos 3x is equal to integral cos 3x dx. That is nothing but sin 3x by 3. Write down case 1. For finding particular integral, we have different cases. Write down side heading rules for finding the particular integral. Rules for finding the particular integral. Rules for finding the particular integral. First case 1. Pi of f of d of y is equal to q of x, where q of x is equal to e power x. Where q of x is equal to e power x. So pi is equal to what is pi? 1 by f of d into e power ax. So it is equal to 1 by f of a into e power ax if f of a not equal to 0. Next, if f of a is equal to 0, pi is equal to x by f dash of a into e power ax. Rules for finding f dash of a not equal to 0. Suppose if f dash of a is 0, then pi is equal to x square by f double dash of a into e power ax. This is if f double dash of a not equal to 0, and so on. Okay, shall I go to next slide? Hello?
Once again. One finished now.
Write down problem.
व्यू नाम का फीचर है जहां
Next, write down solve. D square y by dx square plus 4 dy by dx plus 3y equal to e power 2x. Find out solution.
మ్యామ్ ఒక్కసారి కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ 4 కండిషన్స్ మళ్ళీ చెప్తారా?
If roots are real and distinct, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are real roots and distinct roots, then what is complementary function? C1 into e power first root is 1 into x plus C2 into e power 2 into x plus C3 into third root e power 3x plus C4 into e power 4x. Okay, this is for distinct roots. Suppose a root is repeated 4 times, then what is complementary function? C1 plus C2x plus C3x square plus C4x cube. It is repeated 4 times, right? Write up to x cube or write 4 constants, okay? Into e power, what is that root repeating? 2, so 2x. Suppose if alpha plus or minus I beta is a complex root, then what is complementary function? E power alpha x into C1 cos beta x plus C2 sin beta x. Here alpha is real part, beta is imaginary part. Suppose if alpha plus or minus I beta are repeated 2 times, then what is complementary function? E power alpha x into, if a root is repeated 2 times, we will write C1 plus C2x, right? So in place of constants, we will write, okay, C1 plus C2x into cos beta x plus C3 plus C4x into sin beta x. Okay? Hello? If it is repeated, this complex root is repeated 3 times, here we will write C1 plus C2x plus C3x square, and in place of this, C4 plus C5 plus C6x square. Is it clear? Hello?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్. మ్యామ్ ఇంకోటి పైన d is equal to 1 అని ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నాం మ్యామ్?
Because ax, e power a, if it is a, we will put d equal to a, right? A value is 1 in this case. Complement particular integral of 1 by f of d into e power ax. We will get by substituting d equal to a. Okay, what is a here? 1. Okay. నువ్వు ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అయ్యావా క్లాస్? హలో హలో,
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
ఇప్పుడే జాయిన్ అయ్యావా క్లాస్?
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
Okay, now find out right auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation is m square plus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. What are the roots? Tell me.
-1, -1, -3.
-1, -3. Okay, what is complementary function? C1 into e power minus x plus C2 into e power minus 3x. And for finding particular integral, what is 1 by f of d into q of x? What is f of d? Tell me. F of d. D square plus 4d plus 3 into e power 2x. Now put d equal to 2 because a is 2 here. If d equal to 2, then what is denominator?
15.
15 e power 2x. This is pi. Therefore, complete solution y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral c1 e power minus x plus c2 e power minus 3x plus 1 by 15 e power 2x. This is solution. Okay, shall I go to next one? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Solve. Four d square minus 4d plus 1 of y equal to 100.
మ్యామ్ పైన ఆన్సర్ లో ఈ పవర్ ఆఫ్ 2x ని ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చేయకూడదా?
ఎందుకు చేయాలి?
సొల్యూషన్ y ఈక్వల్ టు కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ ప్లస్ ఇంటిగ్రల్ ఆఫ్ కదా?
లేదు, జస్ట్ కాంప్లిమెంటరీ ఫంక్షన్ ప్లస్ పర్టికులర్ ఇంటిగ్రల్, దట్స్ ఇట్. y equal to cf plus pi. If you get d in denominator, 1 by d is integration. There is no 1 by d right here. Only if you put d equal to 2, we are getting 1 by 15 into e power 2x, right? కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవడానికి ఏముంది ఇక్కడ? 1 by d ఉంటే ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ చెప్పాను నేను. There is no 1 by d in this. Just it is 1 by 15 into e power 2x.
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
Auxiliary equation is 4m square minus 4m plus 1 equal to 0. Find out roots. What are the roots?
1 by 2, 1 by 2.
1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. What is complementary function? All of you can find roots of this equation. How will you find roots? Tell me. Do you know how to find?
2m minus 1 whole square.
This you can write 2m minus 1 whole square. That is 2m minus 1 equal to 0. You will get m equal to 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. What is complementary function? One by 2 is real or complex?
Real.
Repeated twice, then
C1 plus C2x
C1 plus C2x into e power
1 by 2x.
1 by 2 into x is x by 2. Okay, now find particular integral. 1 by f of t into q of x. So it is 1 by f of t is 4t square minus 4t plus 1 into 100 is there. But we know only for e power x, right? How can we solve this, you tell me? Huh? Hello?
A is equal to 0.
Into we can write e power 0x.
0.
Now put d equal to 0. So 100 into, if you put d equal to 0, it is 1. Therefore, it is equal to 100. So therefore, y complete solution y equal to cf plus pi. Complementary function is c1 plus c2x into e power x by 2 plus 100. Solve d cube minus 5d square plus 8d minus 4 of y equal to e power 2x. Find out roots of this equation. What are the one satisfying or not?
Yes,
Huh? One
Yes.
Satisfying.
Okay. Then what are the other roots? 1 minus 5, 8 minus 4. Auxiliary equation is m cube minus 5m square plus 8m minus 4 equal to 0. M equal to 1 is one root and m square minus 4m plus 4. What are the other two roots?
2, 2.
2, 2. M equal to 1, 2, 2. Then what is complementary function? 1 is distinct root. What is complementary function? C1 into e power
E power x.
x plus 2, 2 is repeated root. Then tell me.
C1 plus C 0.
If you put d equal to 2, it is 0. Then in that case, we will write x in the numerator, x by differentiate denominator with respect to d. 3d square minus 10d plus 8 into e power 2x. Now put d equal to 2. Tell me, what is denominator if you put d equal to 2?
0.
0. Then
X square by
x square by 6d minus 10. Again put d equal to 2. It is
2.
x square by 2 into e power 2x. Therefore, complete solution y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Complementary function is c1 e power x plus c2 plus c3x into e power 2x plus particular integral x square by 2 e power 2x. Try to next problem. Find the pi of d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square y is equal to e power minus 2x plus 2 sin hx plus 2 sin hx. We have to find pi. What is pi? 1 by f of d into q of x. That is 1 by f of d into what is q of x, e power minus 2x plus 2 sin hx. How can we write sin hx? Tell me.
That formula, ma'am, e power x plus e power minus x by 2 is
E power x minus e power minus
x by 2.
cos hx is e power x plus e power minus x by 2. So 2 sin hx we can write e power x minus e power minus x. Now separate these terms. 1 by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square into e power minus 2x plus 1 by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square into e power x minus 1 by d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole square into e power minus x. See, you can do this in two ways. One way is either you can multiply all the terms and you can write denominator like this, or else you can directly put d equal to a here, no problem. In first term, what is d? What is a in first term? Minus 2. Put d equal to minus 2. What we'll get in denominator?
0.
0. So what I'll do is, now we have to differentiate, right, with respect to d in the denominator. So what I'll do is, if you put d equal to minus 2 in the second term, we don't have any problem, right? If you put d equal to minus 2 in second term,
Yes, ma'am.
minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 whole square is 9 into e power minus 2x plus, now put d equal to 1 here. If you put d equal to 1, denominator 0, but there is no problem with this d plus 2. So it is 3 into d minus 1 whole square into e minus e power x. If you put d equal to minus 1, there is no problem. Denominator is not equal to 0. Here you will get 1. This d plus 2 becomes 1. This is 4, right? 4 e power minus x. Now tell me first one, 1 by 9 into, now if you put d equal to minus 2, denominator 0. So tell me what is next step? X by?
Differentiation.
What is differentiation of d plus 2? 1 into e power minus 2x plus 1 by 3 into, if you put d equal to 1, denominator 0. Now tell me.
2d of
X by 2 into d minus 1 e power x minus 1 by 4 e power minus x. If you put d equal to 1 in second term, tell me. D equal to 1 in second term?
0.
0. Then
X square by 1.
X square by 1 into e power x minus 1 by 4 e power minus x. This is pi. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Right on, next problem solve. D cube minus 5d square plus 7d minus 3 of y is equal to e power 2x cos hx. What are the roots?
1
M cube minus 5m square plus 7m minus 3 0. M equal to 1 satisfies or not? M equal to 1. 1 minus 5, 7 minus 3. M equal to 1. What are the other roots?
1, 3.
1, 1, 2. Okay. What is complementary function? Tell me.
3, 1, 3.
3. What is complementary function? 1, 1 is a repeated root.
C1 plus C2 is e power
Plus for 3?
C3 into e power 3x.
E power 3x. Write Pi 1 by f of t into q of x. That is 1 by t cube minus 5d square plus 7d minus 3 into e power 2x cos hx. 1 by d cube minus 5d square plus 7d minus 3 into e power 2x into cos hx we can write e power x plus e power minus x by 2. Simplify, find out answer. D cube minus 5d square plus 7d minus 3. 1 by 2 I'll write outside. E power 2x into e power x is e power 3x plus e power x. Separate these two terms. Roll number 74. Do you have any doubt? 74. 74 roll number.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. So it is equal to 1 by 2 is common. Separate these two terms. D cube minus 5d square plus 7d minus 3 into e power 3x plus 1 by d cube minus 5d square plus 7d minus 3 into e power x. Put d equal to 3 in first term. What about denominator? 0. So x by 3d square minus 10d plus 7 into e power 3x. If you put d equal to 1 here, it is also 0. So x by 3d square minus 10d plus 7 e power x. Now in first term, tell me. Put d equal to 3. What is denominator? If d equal to 3, what is denominator?
14.
14 e power 3x plus, if d equal to 1, what is denominator? D equal to 1, what is denominator? 0. So x square by 6d minus 10 e power x. So it is 1 by 2 into x by 14 e power 3x. Now put d equal to 1, then it is minus 4. Or else you can write x by 28 e power 3x minus x square by 8 e power x. Therefore, y equal to, finally, a complete solution is complementary function plus particular integral.
Ma'am, it is 24, ma'am, not 14.
20?
24.
Where?
X by 24.
This is 24.
No, ma'am, like x by 24 into e power 3x. 3d square minus 10d plus 7. That's what.
Oh, this value is not 14.
Yes, ma'am.
It's 4, ma'am.
Somebody told me 14. Okay. 9 into 3. 27 minus 30 plus 7.
4.
Only 4? Okay. So then it is 8, right? It is only 8. Right, y equals CF plus PI. So we are in case 1 we can solve if Q of X is either e power x or a constant also, or sin hx or cos hx. All this comes under this case 1. Sin hx, cos hx also you can express in terms of e power x, e power minus x, and constant also you can add constant into e power 0x. So if RHS is either e power x or constant or sin hx or cos hx, use this case only. Okay. Next, is it clear case 1? Shall I go to case 2? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
No, case 2. Pi of f of d of y is equal to q of x, where q of x is equal to, if q of x is sin of ax plus b or cos of ax plus b or sin ax or cos ax. For all these, PIEC will follow the same procedure, okay? Either sin ax plus b or cos ax plus b or sin ax or cos ax. For all these, Pi is, what is Pi? 1 by f of d into q of x. It is equal to 1 by f of d into, I'll just write sin x. I don't want to write all these 4 sin x or cos x. I am just writing for sin x. But this Pi is same for all these, okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
In case if q of x is e power x, we are substituting d equal to a, right? So if q of x is either all these, either sin ax plus b or cos ax, any one of these, then put d square equal to minus a square and apply the same procedure, okay? Put d square equal to minus a square. Just for our convenience, I am writing f of d square in the denominator, that's it. So put d square equal to minus a square. This will be the Pi. When if f of minus a square is not equal to 0. Suppose if f of minus a square is equal to 0, then how can I write Pi? Tell me. X by differentiate denominator with respect to d and then put d square equal to minus a square. This is if f dash of minus a square is not equal to 0. Suppose if f dash of minus a square is equal to 0, what is Pi? X square by, again differentiate denominator with respect to d and then put d square equal to minus a square. Same procedure, we will put d square equal to minus a square here. Okay? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Note down.